can unbox the SE05. Okay, let's begin. Okay, let's unbox it. This is SE05 have a extinct appearance. Okay, let's open it. First one is this one, the 5G router SE05. It have a one port to LAN port. This is the DC charge power. You can receive button is a single light. They have 8 SMA connect ports. Okay. Next one is a menu box. Told us how to use it, how to set it. And a tunnel. 60 tunnel. I'll show you like this. This one is power plug. Let's see. So, is a tunnel, 6 high gain external tunnels. Okay, this is all. Let's have a clean look about this router. This exquisite appearance is very nice. It's a professional indoor router, especially for the office. It's bandwidth. It have two region, AX1800 and AX3000. If you want to use it at your home and you don't have very high speed ASCII, you can just use AX3000. It's okay. It's affordable and also 5G route for the same class. It can also support the fiber. Except that if your game is used after you want to use it online games, you can choose AX3000. Okay, that's all.
Click the like and follow us.